Morning everyone. So second full day here, day 3. We are just getting ready to go out. Looks pretty dry out. A bit grey today. We've got lots of wildlife out there. Really bad lighting. So we are heading out to the Sculpture Park nearby. Take the dog for a walk, which as you can tell he's getting overexcited about it. So we will update you while we're there and let you know how it goes. Good afternoon. We're now at the Forest of Dean Sculptor Trail. Another walk, another incline. But hopefully it'll be a nice relaxing walk once we get up the first incline. But it looks pretty so far. Though to be honest, it doesn't look much different to what we had yesterday.
We see the sculptures.
So we will catch up with you again in a bit once we see anything interesting and keep you updated. Right, so we're getting to, I'd say, our first proper sculpture. Not quite sure what it is. I'll tell you in a minute once we get to it. Here it is. There you go. Yaşasın. The title of this piece translates into Turkish as hooray. Move through and around this playful and interactive sculpture to view the forest from different perspectives. I'm not sure I'm going to climb over it myself, but this is the view from up here. Right, time to move on to the next one. So, these are called fire and water boats, David Nash 1986. These charred boats resemble canoes carved by hand from a single piece of wood. The waterway in which they sit was previously used to drain the mines underneath the forest.
Cool. Sounds nice with all the water running.
Yeah.
They look okay?
Yeah, they look good.
Let's zoom in. Right, so this one coming up is Iron Road.
They're clearly meant to represent train tracks of some sort.
Yeah.
It's got different things carved in each one, look.
Yeah. Feather.
So before we wander off too far, otherwise you won't be able to hear me. Iron Road, Keir Smith 1986. 20 carved Jarrah wood railway sleepers represent the train line that used to run through the forest carrying coal and iron. Each sleeper illustrates an aspect of the forest, from smelting to writing, charcoal to hunting. That's interesting.
Yeah. Right, I forget which number sculpture this is, but it was a little grove of bamboo plants. I took several photos, but now Dan's gone back to be artistic with the GoPro to do some slow moving video, which I'm sure he'll insert here.
Grove of Silence. Ian Hamilton family, 1986. High in the trees, these three plaques draw attention to the stillness of their environment. The simplicity of form offers a space for contemplation.
Ah.
AC1, so
I've seen a second one back that way.
thank you. Good boy. So we've come across another sculpture called Cone and Vessel. This is by Peter Randall Page, 1988. Carved in stone, the details of an acorn cup and fir cone are amplified to reveal their scientific patterns. There's got a nice bit of water underneath it, which is nice. Nice bit of water, which is nice, that's a weird thing to say. So next sculpture, Hill 33. David Cottrell, 2010. Built from an industrial engineering material and filled with coal, with local coal spoil, this sculpture evokes questions about landscape and power. It is slowly collapsing and being taken over by nature. That's cool.
Yeah, cool. Certainly one word for it.
Cool, cold. Come on. No. No. Good boy.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like tropical type stuff. Don't you think about it. Don't you think about it. I do thinking.
So quiet.
next one is called House by Miles Davies, 1988. The description says, reminiscent of the mine shafts that probe deep into the forest below. This house also alludes to the forest being a home to many. I know it was meant to sound like an R, but it sounded like a
threshold. That's it, that's all we know then. It's been a lovely afternoon.
We've managed to get some videos and some information in about the sculptures that we saw. But we're heading hopefully back towards the car in about an hour or so out here, I think.
Yeah, it's been nice. Dogs enjoyed it as well. But yeah, taking a shortcut back to the car.
Not the kind of shortcut we did yesterday where we took a route and got lost. This is actually a signposted shortcut.
But yeah, very good. Really nice in the warm weather, not so squelchy and muddy, but
and
yeah.
The trees will be nice in the summer.
So we'll definitely be back, I think.
Yes.
So we're now nearly back at the car park. This is where we started. Nice leisurely downhill walk.
Yeah, definitely an uphill. I like all the evergreens. Makes the forest look nice and lush still, even though it's winter.
Yeah.
Oh. Right.
Oh.
So we will get back to the car, go back to the cabin, and then we'll provide you with an update when we get there. There probably won't be much of one. It's probably just going to be we're going in the hot tub.
Yes, definitely going in the hot
relax
tub.
our muscles. But yeah, that's the plan. So we will catch you a bit later.
See you when we get back.
See you in a bit.